Want to bring a futuristic vibe into your home? These modern decor pieces and smart gadgets are designed to add style, innovation, and next-level convenience to every room. From bold designs to clever tech upgrades, they transform your space instantly. All product links are in the description below. This innovative armchair is made of 2 sections that rotate independently, giving it surprising flexibility. Adjust the angles and it transforms into a seat with an armrest, a footrest, or even a built-in storage space. Its shifting design adapts to your needs in the moment. A clever, multifunctional piece for any modern living space. Looking for a chair that does more than just sit pretty? This swivel accent chair spins a full 360 degrees, letting you turn in any direction effortlessly. It hides a clever storage compartment, perfect for stashing blankets, books, or little essentials right under your seat. The soft foam cushion and supportive back make it comfy for hours of reading, working, or relaxing. Stop juggling messy bags and boxes in your pantry. This 4-layer storage container keeps spices, cereals, or leftovers neatly stacked and easy to reach. Just flip the lid to lock or unlock. It's that simple, even with one hand. The leak-proof design and silicone seal keep everything fresh, and it's safe for the freezer too. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for meal prep, picnics, or just keeping your kitchen organized. Traveling with a baby doesn't have to be stressful. This lightweight crib doubles as a cozy bed and a safe playpen, so your little one always has a familiar spot. The breathable mesh sides keep the air flowing while letting you peek in anytime. A handy side zipper makes it easy for crawling in and out. Best part? It folds down in seconds and packs small for on-the-go adventures. If your spice cabinet feels like a treasure hunt, this organizer fixes that in seconds. Each drawer slides out and gently tilts down, bringing every bottle right to your eyes so you don't dig around blindly. Adjustable dividers let you fit all kinds of shapes and sizes without rearranging anything. And with included labels, you can spot what you need instantly. Just load it up and enjoy a spice cabinet that finally makes sense. Breakfast just got a whole lot easier. This slim toaster slips neatly onto any countertop without hogging space. A single extra long slot means you can toast 2 slices side by side or tackle big, crusty bread without cutting it down. 6 shade settings let you go from lightly golden to deep and crispy in seconds. The high lift lever keeps fingers safe, and the crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Kick clutter out of sight and add a seat at the same time. This folding Ottoman bench opens up to reveal a roomy storage chest for blankets, books, or anything you want tucked away. The cushion top makes it comfortable for sitting or propping up your feet. When you don't need it, the whole thing folds flat in seconds. Strong, stylish, and versatile, it's a smart addition to any room. Your hangout spot instantly feels upgraded with this smart table. It keeps your snacks cold in hidden fridge drawers, so you never have to pause a movie or game to grab something. Music sounds awesome thanks to the built-in speakers and mood lights that glow with the beat. You can charge your devices right on the surface without cords everywhere, and the storage inside keeps everything organized while the glass top stays easy to clean. Why settle for a boring bookcase when you can have one shaped like a tree? This tall, narrow shelf branches out with 6 tiers, giving you plenty of space for books, games, or little decorations. A cabinet at the bottom hides away the things you'd rather not display. The rustic finish makes it blend into almost any style, from modern to cozy farmhouse. Compact, stylish, and space-saving, it's storage that feels like art. Picture a coffee table that does more than just hold drinks. This oversized ottoman doubles as storage, seating, and even a work surface. Lift the top and you'll find a roomy compartment that hides away blankets, books, or anything you don't want cluttering your space. The cushioned top is perfect for propping up your feet or setting down a tray. It's a stylish centerpiece that works as hard as you do. Tired of digging through cabinets for that one spice? This clever organizer stores up to 24 bottles in neat pull-out drawers that drop down for easy access. Adjustable dividers let you fit both small and large containers without hassle. It comes with labels so you can find what you need instantly while cooking. No tools or setup required, just load your spices and enjoy a perfectly organized pantry. Your sink is about to feel way more futuristic. This smart faucet lights up as the water changes temperature, giving you a cool glow every time you wash your hands or face. You can pull out the sprayer and turn it in any direction, so cleaning the sink or rinsing off is super easy. 4 flow modes give you everything from a gentle rinse to a strong spray, and the touch clean nozzles let you wipe away buildup in seconds. Tired of digging through jars just to find the right spice? This rotating spice carousel puts everything right at your fingertips. You can load it up with 12 spices, spin it around, and grab exactly what you need. Twist the dial, and it automatically drops a perfect 1/4 teaspoon, so you don't even need measuring spoons. It stacks neatly, comes with tons of labels, and keeps your cabinet looking clean and organized. Digging through a pile of pans is no one's idea of fun. This sliding organizer pulls straight out of your cabinet, bringing every pot and lid right to you. The hooks adjust to fit cookware of all shapes, so even your heaviest pieces hang neatly without wobbling. Smooth ball-bearing rails let it glide out effortlessly. You open the door, pull once, and everything is right there. Zero bending, zero hassle. Running out of space in narrow corners? This slim 5-tier rolling cart slides right into tight spots, giving you extra storage without crowding your room. Each pull-out basket glides smoothly and quietly, so you can grab what you need without any hassle. Built from heavy-duty steel, it holds plenty without bending or wobbling. Its sleek design looks modern in any kitchen, bathroom, or laundry area. Extra guests coming over? No problem. This set of stackable wooden stools gives you 4 sturdy seats that also double as side tables, footrests, or even plant stands. When you're done, they stack neatly to save space, keeping your room clutter-free. Crafted from solid wood with anti-slip pads, they're built to last while protecting your floors. No assembly needed, just unstack and start using right away. Maximize your bathroom space with this over-the-toilet wall cabinet. 2 glass doors hide adjustable shelves, perfect for keeping toiletries organized and dry. The open shelf and towel bar give extra room for towels, belts, or accessories. Made from sturdy metal and tempered glass, it's waterproof and built to last. Sleek black design adds a modern touch while saving floor space and keeping your bathroom tidy. Your phone, your lamp, your book, everything right where you need it. This compact nightstand comes with built-in USB ports and outlets, so you can charge devices without clutter. 2 fabric drawers keep your private things tucked away, while the open shelf holds your bedtime essentials. Its sturdy build stays balanced even on uneven floors. Small in size but big on function, it's the perfect bedside upgrade. Small space, big drying power. This compact tumble dryer fits just about anywhere but still handles clothes with care. Dual motors speed up drying while rotating in both directions to keep fabrics fluffy and evenly dried. Smart sensors stop the cycle the moment clothes are ready, saving time and energy. With fine filters to catch lint and dust, it's plug-and-play laundry convenience. No installation, no hassle. This isn't just a bed, it's an entire bedroom built into one. You get a massage chair for ultimate relaxation, Bluetooth speakers for music, and even a charging station so your devices never die overnight. A built-in bookshelf and desk keep everything within reach, whether you're working or winding down. There's hidden storage and even a chaise for lounging. It's comfort, tech, and style all in one futuristic frame. Here's a rug that instantly makes your room feel warm and put together the moment you roll it out. It's handmade with a thick, textured weave that feels soft under your feet and adds a natural, cozy look to your space. The blend of wool and cotton gives it durability while keeping the surface comfortable and inviting. You can place it in the living room, bedroom, or dining area, and it always fits right in. If your tea stash keeps taking over your counter, this spinning tower is the hero you didn't know you needed. 3 tiers rotate smoothly, so you can spot your favorite flavor in seconds. 9 removable compartments keep everything sorted, holding up to 108 bags without looking cluttered. The metal frame stays steady as you spin it, and the slim design saves tons of space. You can even use it for sugar packets or creamers, whatever makes your tea time easier. Small spaces need smart storage, and this slim cabinet does the job perfectly. With 4 tiers and adjustable shelves, you can fit everything from toiletries to cleaning supplies without wasting space. The magnetic doors keep items dust-free and protected, while the clear panels let you see what's inside at a glance. Rolling wheels make it easy to move around when needed. A rolling tower that keeps fruits, veggies, and pantry items within reach without cluttering your counters. This 4-tier metal storage rack comes fully assembled. Just roll it into place. The baskets rotate for easy access, detach for quick cleaning, and the carbon steel frame is strong enough to hold heavy groceries. With its sleek black finish and space-saving design, it's as stylish as it is practical, whether in the kitchen, living room, or pantry. Meet the Purifier that feels like it's doing the thinking for you. This smart tower pulls in dirty air and traps tiny particles, odors, and gases with a fully sealed HEPA system. It cools you in the summer, warms the whole room in the winter, and keeps airflow smooth and powerful all year. You can check air quality, adjust settings, or set schedules right from your phone or with your voice. With wide-angle oscillation, it sends fresh, clean air exactly where you need it. Here's a lamp that makes your room feel smarter the moment you turn it on. It glows in rich colors, warm or cool whites, and even shifts through dozens of preset scenes to match your mood. You can tap it awake at night, let it dance to music, or control it hands-free through your favorite smart home setup. The brightness is strong, smooth, and easy to adjust, so you always get the lighting you want. When leftovers start taking over your kitchen, this stackable food tower comes to the rescue. Each layer clicks neatly into place, giving you separate compartments that keep meals warm and fresh. You can add or remove layers depending on how much you need to store, and the clear lids let you see exactly what's inside. It keeps food protected, organized, and easy to grab. Perfect for busy kitchens that need every inch of space. Running out of room for your spices? This clever rack hides right under your shelf, using space you probably never touch. The pull-out compartment slides smoothly, bringing every jar into view, so you're not digging around mid-recipe. It installs without tools, stays put with strong adhesive, and keeps your most used seasonings organized and easy to reach. a simple upgrade that instantly frees up cabinet space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.